1997 Chevrolet C1500. Extended cab, short box, Silverado. This particular truck originally delivered out of Sands Chevrolet, Glendale, Arizona. You can definitely tell this was a southwestern truck. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. As you can see by the front lights, it does have an aftermarket headlight and marker light. As far as the grille, bumper, that appears original. Approximately 162,000 miles on this truck. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, very nice shape. Check out the underside, engine bay, bed of it. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on the stock chrome wheels that this would have left General Motors manufacturing with. Take a look up and down the side of this truck. You can also see it's very straight. Yes, it's black. You're going to have a few nicks, dings in it, and I'll point some of those out as we go, but look what you don't see. First of all, take a look behind this front wheel well. Look up, above, and around it. Number one, you can still see the luster in the paint, obviously. Number two, you don't see rust coming out from behind that body molding. Take a look all the way down along the bottom of these doors. And yes, wait till we get back here to the cab corner. Look at this. That is solid. That has not been redone. That has not been filled in. You can actually still see the factory plastic that would have been put on it when it was new. And look at this. Just look around those wheel wells. A lot of trucks in Minnesota, we see that rear side of the bed is actually flapping in the wind because it's been rusted out so bad. Of course, this would have the third door right here. It does have cloth bucket seats. Now, powered by a 350 5.7 liter underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Silverado package, so you're nicely equipped. Power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, AC blows cold in this one. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Coming around to the rear of it, you can see it has the soft tonneau cover, roll up, very easy to use. This would be the Access brand. Excellent brand, been along for quite a while, been around for quite a while for these trucks. Dual exhaust. This truck does sound nice. Now let's take a look up and down this driver's side, and this is what I'm going to show you. Yes, you do have a couple little small spots, or maybe a touch up here and there. There was a couple little dings in the doors. Paint's not broken through, but again, look at the luster in the paint. And let's take a look around these wheel wells again. You don't see the rusting or the bubbling coming through those trim pieces. Look down below these lower portions of the doors, and in the still pictures you can see the underneath of the doors when I have them open. Let's come back to that cab corner, and again, there's that plastic piece that would be on it from the factory, so you can see it's a solid truck. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Check them out. You can see that bed without the tonneau cover on it. You can see there is a rubber bed mat in there. You'll also see still pictures without the Husky liner in it. I have pictures of the carpeting underneath, which is also in nice shape. Take a look at this seat. That was the one nice thing about these fabric seats from General Motors. They wore well. You can see that full of rips, tears, holes, holding up very nicely. Headliner, all in one piece, also good shape, not sagging. Look at the dash, not cracking, not aged, sun-baked, anything like this. You can tell this truck was definitely stored indoors. I played around with some of the equipment on here. Power locks work, power mirrors work, power windows work, AC blew cold. There's your exact miles, 162,992. We're gonna go ahead and start this up. Had the wipers working. Again, AC worked, radio is fine.
Can't see it.
It's a nice shape on the interior. Passenger seat, also looking good. All right. Slip around to the back so you can hear this one run. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350. Nothing crazy, just nice sounding truck. Good looking in the black and chrome too. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. I wanna pop this hood. I will point out there is a couple just real small fingers if you can see those. So again, not perfect, but if you're looking for a solid one, it's not all rusted away. Definitely check this one out. I'm gonna pause this, let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
5.7 liter, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Paired up with a automatic with overdrive transmission. Good sounding, nice running. Vortec engine. There you go, 1997 Chevrolet C1500 extended cab two-wheel drive short box. Out of the Southwest, Glendale, Arizona is where this one originated from. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Clicking a link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.